let's try out these two products here. These are some eye brushes from Beauty For Real, and this is the Molly XO Best Dressed Lids eyeshadow palette. This was in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March. Well, some of us received it. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. Neutrals and bolds, 14 matte and shimmer shadows. So very pretty shades, and I love the names as well. And these brushes, you get 5. Let me just take these out. I don't know if you saw my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Ipsy Glam Bag if you want to watch that. These are our makeup brushes. So I love a spoolie. This is a spoolie. It has the angled brush at the end, so it's a dual brush. Flat brush is great to like pack on, not blending but pack on, especially if you're doing like a cut crease. Great for that. One is fluffy, but it's still dense, so that's pretty cool. It's a little bit more wide. Good for blending, yeah, but it's definitely not like super fluffy either. And then you have this one. I guess you can use this one like if you were to like draw a wing. I've never used a brush like this. It has a nice like angle there. So I don't know if I will use this one. Maybe you could also like use it for your lips if you wanted to. Use my spoolie right now to brush my brows. And let's start with the swatches from here. This is the first row. I do have 2 swatches here on top, but they're that light that you can't see them. Oh my god, so here's the whole arm. Look at this pink. That is so pretty. You have an olive. There's many shades here. About 2 mattes. These here. This one and this one. So that's what we will use to put all over the lid. I don't like any of these brushes for all over the lid. I guess I can use this one. I will use the shade Date Night for all over the lid. It's supposed to be a really light color anyway. Just to place something down before we start the look. Alright, that looks very nice. I have no primer on. This brush to blend, let's see what other color. Now I'm going to go in with Book Club, which is the other matte here. Brown. Okay, that's showing up nicely. I don't know how much I love this shade of brown, but I'm just gonna mix this up. Just because there was really like no other option, unless you want to put like shimmery shade on the outside, but I don't. The brush is working very well. Like they don't feel rough, they actually feel pretty soft, and it's blending the product very nicely. Oh look, it tells you. See, it tells you contour, liner. Just went right past me. This is a blender. This is a blender. And this one is a shader. You can use that for whatever you want. So I want to apply some of that Book Club here in the bottom, just a little. Just connecting that. You don't have to, especially like if it's a daytime look. I would skip this step, but it's up to you. Okay, I like how that's connected there. And I'm not bringing it all the way in. I don't want to look dark in here. Instead, we're going to highlight that later. Thinking I'm going to put 2 shades here. Sorry, I live in New York. There's always so much noise. This brush here, which is the shader brush, I actually want to do kind of like a gold and olive. So I'm going to use the shade Romantic Picnic right here. I'm gonna grab some, and I just want to like place the color right now. I don't want to blend, so that's why I picked this brush, because it's not fluffy, it's just like nice and flat. So I'm just gonna grab that and start placing it like where that brown ends. Sometimes these shades work best like applying it with your finger, just the warmth from your finger. So I usually will try first with the brush, just If you want like a precise application, then I will go in with my finger. See some of the shadow falling, so I'm just quickly gonna take my brush and like wipe that a little bit more in, but leaving space for that gold shade that I want. Just gonna take my finger. Look how pretty that is. Do you see that? I'm just gonna pack that. Nice that looks. Like, can't you see the pop more here than like here? This one would be beautiful. I'm just thinking about another look for later. The charity gala with the black tie. They're both like these purple pinks. Oh my god. Alright, where was I? After hours. So I'm just using the other side of the brush for after hours. Pretty. I'm just gonna place that. And you don't have to blend like many shades together. I'm just trying to use several shades so you see what they look like. And I'm slowly gonna pack it like where that green ends, just to start blending the shades together. You don't want it to look harsh, like here it ends. I don't know why I chose like the gold, maybe because I'm wearing yellow and spring already started. Even though these colors are not that springy. Going with my finger and apply this gold with my finger as well. I use this brush just so I can say I used most of the brushes. I'm gonna take Cocktail Hour. I'll place that here in the inner corner. This has like a pink tone to it, so just think about that. It's not just like a highlight. Place that there. Really nice small brush to get into these places. I wouldn't say like this color goes a lot with this look, just because I mean it could look white to you, but it's a bit pink. Just taking a bit of Book Club again, and because we lost some of that color at the end, just want to quickly apply it just to get that color again. So pretty. They all blended so well, and they are pigmented. So many shades, you can do so many looks, more daytime, more nighttime. Next, I think I'm gonna do those colors: Charity Gala, Monday Meeting, and Black Tie. So pretty. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner, lashes, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is now with the lashes. I just reviewed these lashes. I'm actually obsessed with the style. So pretty. So here is the look. It's nothing too crazy. All the colors just blended really well together. This reminds me more like of a fall or night out. You can wear this actually, since it's neutral colors, like any season, whenever you like. So I will do other looks. For the eye brushes, just for me, I like to have more. Why do I feel like I'm missing one? Where did it escape to? Okay, I'm missing one. I will find it. But they did blend really well. They don't hurt. They are soft. They're very pretty. I just need like different styles. One like more fluffy. Okay, I know which one I'm missing. My spoolie one. If you just wanted something like to pack on color, then to do a little blend, these are great. These are great. I don't think you would need anything more than that. You even have the angled one like for eyebrows or for eyeliner. So really nice set, good quality brushes. Hope if you did receive them, you enjoy them as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.